We are Kerry and Craig, husband and wife from the UK, and in July 2020 we borrowed a T5 and travelled the Scottish Highlands. This is a little bit of our NC 500. Woohoo! We're officially in Scotland!
Woo! And we're stuck in traffic. And Kerry is at the wheel.
I feel like that's because you knew traffic was coming.
But nice views. So
Roads are
all
definitely
good.
getting prettier.
Yeah.
So tonight's campsite backs onto this beautiful little beachy bay thing, I suppose. Lovely little spot. And Craig is about to have a play with his new drone. Let's see what comes out. Morning, it's day 2. It's a beautiful day. We got up nice and early. We had a hot shower at the campsite. We had a little bit of breakfast. Craig made us some coffee.
Hello. Morning. It's a lovely day though.
Yeah, and we are driving up to, where are we driving to? I can't remember.
Cootie Hole, I don't know. So it's like a woodland walk and it goes to
Little
Cootie
woodland
Hole.
walk. Little woodland
Cootie
walk.
Hole? Cootie Hole?
Clutie.
Clutie. Sounds rude.
And that's on our way to Lighthouse tonight.
Tarbot Nest.
Nest Lighthouse. I'm gonna go and have a bit of a look around there. Nice, easy, slow kind of day today because we spent 7 hours driving yesterday. It was a long day. We slept so well. So well.
Everyone, so this is the Monlochie Cootie Well. Legend has it that if you dip a cotton rag in the well here and tie it up, brings you good luck. As you can see, a lot of people have tied a lot of stuff. So Kerry, what did you think of the Monlochie?
Monlochie,
Oh, Monlochie.
which I'm probably still saying wrong.
Okay, well, perhaps wrong. What did you think of the Monlochie Cootie Hole?
It was bizarre. It looked like
Some sort of witch's medieval ritual area.
It did look really bizarre. And obviously people come up here and don't have any bits of cloth, so some of them take off their shorts or their socks or their pants and use
Hats,
those.
everything.
Pants.
But I will remind you, the legend is supposed to be cotton.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and a lot of that stuff isn't cotton, so
biodegradable
they haven't got much luck.
No.
Anyway.
But really spooky.
Yeah, definitely come and see it.
Really cool. Yeah, and just it's like on the way to where we're going, so we thought we'd stop by.
Yeah.
And it's actually in a really pretty setting as well.
Yeah. Come see.
morning. It's day 3. We are going to see a few castles today.
Morning.
We stayed at a really cute little campsite last night. The owner, Reverend John McLeod. How cute was he?
Legend. Yeah.
He was adorable. Yeah, love it. Like, really basic. It's only £10 a night. It was, yeah. Let's stay there again.
Amazing hot shower this morning.
Amazing hot shower.
It's in Port Hammock.
On the Homac.
The Homac.
Yeah. He runs the church next door. It's really nice. Also, I took the opportunity to wash my hair this morning because that was our last campsite.
They don't care about you washing your hair. Alright?
Charming. So yeah, that was our last campsite. From now on, we're going to be wild camping.
Yes.
Should be interesting.
Yes.
Next up was DUNROBIN Castle, which wasn't exactly our cup of tea inside, and half of it was closed anyway. But the grounds were absolutely stunning, so we spent a little bit more time out here exploring. Further down the road is Carnliath, an ancient yet still impressive remains of a broch and well worth the roadside stop. Back on the road again now, and a pleasant surprise in our lunch stop at the beautiful Libster Bay. Craig just took a random right turn on our way up to the castle, and we came across this incredible little old bay, little fishing bay with another lighthouse. But it is stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Okay, sorry about the wind. We walking along the beach. Found looks like a boiler. I'm guessing that mine. Boiler for a ship or something. Looks like it's been here for some time. It's a big hunk of metal.
We've gotten up nice and early today, taking a walk to visit old KEISS Castle. Skies are moody, it's a bit chilly and cold today, but it's still absolutely stunning.
Howdy.
Hey.
We are off to DUNCANSBY Head for a little walk, look at the lighthouse, and then go look at the sea stacks as well.
Very nice.
It is raining.
It's a waterproof kind of day. Okay, Craig's choice of park up tonight. Absolutely stunning, well worth the extra little drive down some frankly ropey roads to DROMAND PIER.
8 mile drive off road almost.
Let's get some dinner on. next morning we got up nice and early to take a 7k walk to Sandwood Bay, and we were so glad. And tonight's park-up view, we're over at STOER Lighthouse, just in the car park here, and the view is beautiful. Homeward bound today.
Yep.
2 days home.
Yep. It's been a hell of an adventure, and we have totally lucked out with the weather because we're driving back now and the heavens have opened. We walked to the old manor store this morning. It was nice. Literally got back to the van and it just heavens open. So yeah, it's been epic.
It's been amazing.
Scotland. I love Scotland. Scotland. I want to live in Scotland. Scotland is just amazing.
Scotland has our hearts.
Yes,
100%.